Streamers and content creators, this is the video you're looking for if you're trying to get affiliated through Twitch. As a recent Twitch affiliate, currently sitting at a whopping 344 followers, I think I can give you guys a little bit more insight rather than the big heads, because they've been in the game a long time. So any kind of tutorial from them who've already got 50 concurrent viewers, or maybe they're partnered with 75, I think it's 75. But regardless, why not, get information from a small streamer who just had it happen to him recently? So if you're just starting out brand new, know that the requirements are going to take you a total of 30 days. It needs to be a 30-day cycle. And what you need to do is as follows. You need to reach 50 followers. So that part actually isn't really even the hardest part, I would say. You can easily get other people to follow you, friends, family, things like that. I wouldn't even recommend doing the follow for follow strategy because, again, these people aren't going to tune into your stream. You want to actually build genuine, real connections. And realistically, I think the 50 follower part isn't the toughest part of this challenge. At least it wasn't for me. Streaming 8 hours in those 30 consecutive. This is a key one because a lot of people think that you need to stream a ton of time, and you need to stream for 12 hours in a game where you're getting 0 viewers. That is going to bring your average viewership down. If you're streaming for 12 hours to 0 viewers, that's going to not make you meet the requirement for 3 concurrent viewers, on average for 30 days. And then it's stream on 7 different days. Again, the problem in the beginning of streaming isn't really streaming on the days. A lot of people love to stream. They're just streaming to nobody. So let's be honest, the main thing we're going to be covering here is how to actually get those 3 concurrent viewers, because that is going to be the thing that most people are going to struggle with. At least from my experience, I can say that it's because I didn't have 3 concurrent viewers for a while that I really didn't get the affiliate program for multiple months. I definitely did not get it my first month of streaming, but you can. With the affiliate program, you can of course get subscribers, have bits donated to you, realistically have Twitch pay you out. Once you meet a certain threshold of like $100 or so, you will get paid out. It could take you months, again, depending on how much you stream and how fast you grow. But everybody wants to be able to get subscribers, and your true supporters should want to subscribe. You get ad-free viewing, cool badges and stuff, and also it just shows support. If you have your alerts set up, people can see their name pop up. There's tons and tons of good reasons why you want to be affiliated, correct? So I will tell you, I actually started streaming one of the most popular games of all time, which was Fortnite. And let me tell you, you want to know how much discovery I got from that game from Twitch? A big whopping 0. Of course, a big whopping 0, because there's so many people to cycle through. You've probably heard it before. This guaranteed isn't your first video looking up on Twitch. So what should you do instead? There's a couple things you can do. If there's a game that doesn't have a lot of people streaming it, but it's got good discoverability, let's say you click on a game like Terraria, for example. That is the game. The reason why I bring that up is because that is literally the game how I got affiliated really easily. Actually, I went from having 0 viewers to having an average of like 10 and 11 every time I streamed. Why? Because I actually cared about the people that were in my stream, not just, yo, what's up, watch me. Okay, a lot of people want to be involved, like they want to play with you and things. So if you're looking for a quick way to get affiliated, a good thing to do is open for viewers, play with viewers, have them interact with you, or have some way to interact, in a game, not just through Twitch chat. I feel like a lot of people think like, they're just going to sit in your Twitch chat for hours and hours, you're going to stream 10 hours, and you expect somebody to stay in there for all 10 hours. That's extremely unrealistic, especially if they're random people and they're not your friends. That's going to bring me to my second point, where you can just have friends and family watch your stream while you stream. If you have 3 people do this and you hold them every time you stream, you say, hey guys, I'm going live at this time for 2 hours. It's not hard to have a browser source open for 2 hours and support you, especially, like I said, you could definitely name some friends and family. And if you're taking it seriously, you need to take it seriously. You need to go to your friends and family and be like, yo, I'm trying to get this affiliate thing. I need these 3 average viewers. I need you in my Twitch stream for at least these many hours. And then once they're done, or once they meet that requirement, you can end the stream. You don't need to actually continue to stream. Now, if you want to stream, that's great. But again, you're really trying to focus on those 3 concurrent average viewers. And, just constantly streaming into a very popular game with 0 viewers isn't going to get you there, unfortunately. I bet you if I went live right now, I probably wouldn't even have 3 viewers right away, depending on the time and what my titles were and what I was doing. But I know how I could get viewers. For example, I've been playing this game, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, if you guys are aware of that. And most of the time, I'll get like 3, 4, 5 viewers. And I also multi-platform stream to YouTube to try to bring people to Twitch, or vice versa. It's just a little easier. I also have a tutorial on that if you guys want to see. But I'm really just playing by myself. But if I opened it up to viewers and did arenas, tons of more people want to play because they want to 1v1 a streamer. They want to be on stream. They want to have fun. Maybe not everybody wants to be a streamer, but they want to interact with them. Or maybe they don't have the equipment, but they want to interact with them. You're going to get more interactions and more people in your stream the better ways you implement them into your stream. You got to remember, everybody's selfish at the end of the day. You didn't come to this video because you like Brady. You came to this video because you're trying to help yourself. So you have to figure out that, most of your viewers are feeling the same way. Maybe, you want to be a great entertainer, but you're just not there yet. Sometimes you have to be able to actually put in the work and give back before you can expect anything in return. Alright, there's two more things that I really want to hit home on, and that is, again, not streaming crazy long because your average viewers will go down. If you have 0 viewers and you stream for 12 hours, it doesn't matter if you had an hour when you had 5 viewers, because the average is going to be way lower, again. So you may think, oh, I want to stream, but necessarily that's not the right path. Plus, there's other things you can be doing that are going to grow your stream rather than just streaming. So you have to understand, what do you want to do? You want to play games for 12 hours and stream it? Or do you want to play games for 3 hours, take tons of clips, and post them to other social medias to try to get more people interested in your community? Again, when you post these clips, you're not going to have tons of interactions in the beginning. Nobody knows you. You're not known. But by creating genuine content, engaging content, things that are going to make people stop and watch your video, that is key. You can't post a boring clip that takes 10-15 seconds to get into the juicy part of it. You need to hit them with the juice right in the beginning. You need to get them engaged. These are things that I'm still learning too, and that every creator needs to focus on at some point. So you might as well actually stream for an hour or two, maybe have some good stories in there that you talked about your day, or some funny clips where a really good moment happened, and then make those clips engaging and post them on other social medias. Build your community. Next thing you know, you're getting comments, you're talking to these people, and then you could even reach out to them and be like, yo, I'm trying to get affiliated. I think you mess with my content. Do you mind stopping in and saying what's up? If you really can't find any family or friends. I have 2 roommates right now. I could have them both watch my stream at the same time. Then I will only need 1 more viewer. Text another friend. Text a family member. Hey, all I need you to do is open this link and keep it open while I stream from this time to this time. You need to get serious about your content plan. That is the key. You need to seriously have a goal and figure out the best way to do it, and I'm trying to break it down as best as I can. Find a non-saturated game that you actually enjoy on Twitch that not a lot of people are streaming, but a lot of people want to watch. Again, playing with viewers is just the cherry on top, my friends. I'm telling you, I was a no-name streamer. I started playing with viewers, and people started coming in, and now when I stream, I really don't get that interaction anymore. But when I was playing with viewers, tons of people wanted to play with streamers and make a community and just grind and have fun. It's a really great thing, and it's actually extremely important for growing to give back to your viewers. Your viewers aren't going to necessarily just find you and be like, wow, I love this guy so much, I'm going to watch his stream every day. You have to think, do you do that? Do you watch streamers every single day? Maybe you do, but a lot of people, genuinely are selfish. It's just how human nature is. So you have to remember that and be serious when you go into this. I can't stress this enough, how serious you have to be, or you're not going to get results. You have to put things out to get results. You have to make content. You have to try. You have to outreach. You cannot just hit go live and expect 3 concurrent viewers to just pop up, And there's tons of videos on this channel that are going to help you level up your stream. So any little way you can level up your stream 1% better every day, I promise you within a month or 2, you will have affiliate. Don't listen to these guys saying you can get affiliate in a week and all these things. You have to really get serious about it. Even go ahead and schedule when you're going to stream, which I don't even do myself that much, but I'm already affiliated. So I'm not trying to, schedule my streams, but it is the greatest way, and you're going to have the best outcome if you actually have set times for when you're going to stream. Again, 8 hours over 30 days, 7 different live streams. That's not that much when you really break it down. But guys, that is going to do it for this video. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Sorry I was a little bit, how can I put this, just stern with you. Again, I'm a recent affiliate myself, and I don't want to give you, no bull crud, no bull crappy dappy. All right, I'm trying to give you guys the hardcore facts and what I truly believe will work. And again, if you guys want to level up your stream, or you guys just enjoy my content, make sure you guys subscribe and like the video if you got any useful information out of this. Drop some comments below for the people down low, that maybe I didn't cover, something that helped you get Twitch affiliate, or something that you're working on. Again, guys, this is a community we're trying to build here, just like you should be doing. But that is going to do it for this video. Peace.